Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment, je glisse gentiment, je glisse gentiment.
You can see I got the foam all the way to the end of the box, and then from this half forward, I'm gonna do kill mat. Yeah, so here we are. Get some light going for y'all. I apologize again about the lighting, but it's getting dark on me here. Got everything doubled up, and I went backwards on it. I actually glued everything completely solid before I cut the holes out, and I used the jigsaw. I was too lazy to make a jig for a router. I was too lazy to do it. That's just a test basket, you know. Can y'all guess what basket this is from? I just used that basket just to gauge, but I also took the gasket off my woofer to gauge as well. And then underneath, that's where all the screw magic is. And I know you guys was wondering, how did he, you know, squeeze it together effectively? Yeah, I clamped it down and screwed the crap out of it from the back side, just so I don't have to sand from the top side. And I kind of stayed away from my center divider and close to the very edge. And it's a mess down here, y'all, in my chambers. That's why I'm kind of keeping my tools, trying to keep everything somewhat tidy, but it's a mess. Seal chamber's 100% complete. Double baffle, it's ready. And then my plan is to, I gotta hurry up because I'm running out of battery here. I'll probably just do it off my camera phone. This is the to be continued clip from my last clip because my camera went dead. My next layer, it's gonna go all the way up. This is for the ported chamber. Of course, I'll probably cut the preliminary hole for the port, and then I'm gonna, from the bottom up, say this sheet right here sits right on top of this box, that's how I designed it. I came out flush with this sheet here. And then it's going to be another baffle on top of that. So it's going to be a double baffle. You know, everything is separated on the first baffle. And then the second baffle is to join everything together. So what I'm thinking about doing is not using glue on this deck right here. I'm thinking about using weather stripping and then using deck screws. The outer baffle is going to come up to about right here. That way I got a good, you know, screw pattern. I mean, something good to bite into, and also something really, really good to seal. And then I'm just gonna put another sheet up and then port. Drill holes in the side. I'm thinking about making that my exit over there. I don't want no engine whine, none of that stuff. So power ground over here. Everything else on this side. Signal, my mids and highs, everything is going to be on this side. And I'm also going to do the output for the speaker terminals on this side as well. Sometime this week, I might have this thing fired up. I went on and ordered a radio. Yeah, so we're going to leave this open, actually. I'm going to do a iPad, and then I'm probably going to run, you know, my radio wires probably from underneath and out, and have my radio outside of this head. I mean, outside of this the center console, because I got a feeling all this stuff is going to shake like crazy, and I don't need no issues with the radio. So I'm probably going to just have it down low and maybe unplug it, put a handle on it, and rock it like a pullout back in the 80s. Y'all, what y'all think? That was kind of a joke. I'm just going to say it like this. I'm tired. So I'm about to go in here, get myself an order, and get ready for tomorrow. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Stay tuned for the further update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's